Tuesday, October 24th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Let's start off with a couple of cameras across the region. First of all, there's Greensboro's tower camera. At times, there's been some pretty dense fog in some spots this morning in the wake of all the rain and thunderstorm activity yesterday. A little better visibility now than 30 minutes ago as I cut the video in Greensboro. And Charlotte really clearing out nicely. That's a look at the Dowd YMCA camera. And we're going to have a pretty nice weather day today across the region before some cooler air then settles in. These were your highs yesterday, but of course the big story yesterday, rain and thunderstorms, which I'll detail in just a second. Triad area highs, upper 60s to mid 70s in the Charlotte, Piedmont zones, low to mid 70s in most spots, and some 60s in the high country. These were temperatures during the 5 a.m. hour this morning. Certainly a little bit cooler than where we were at this point yesterday. And we'll squeeze in still a fairly mild day today before the cooler temperatures really settle in tonight. All right, so here we go as we take a peek at the radar imagery through the day yesterday. I'm kind of focused on the afternoon into the evening hours. That's when these storms were most intense. And notice here this little comma head feature right there, that little loop feature. And that is what caused some issues with possible tornadic activity. And along this line, a lot of issues with wind damage as we went through yesterday afternoon and into yesterday evening. Rain amounts, heaviest in the mountains and the foothills. There were some 4 and 5 inch plus mountain rain totals yesterday. You get down through the Piedmont zones, there was a lot of rain totals in the 1 to 2 inch range. And that's the case down around the Charlotte viewing area as well. I'll just highlight a couple of those reports. A lot of 1 to 2 inch rain amounts in that region. All right, there's your storm report map, and all those symbols represent some type of damage that occurred. You had some issues with wind damage here and there. I'll just highlight a few of the reports. There's some wind damage that occurred in eastern Davie County, up into Surrey County as well, even eastern Forsyth County. Let me go back to that one and let you read that. That's parts of Surrey County. And then the eastern parts of Forsyth County. Had a tree down in Kernersville. And there's all the issues around the foothills, including that damage that we've been detailing on our news reports on Spectrum News around the Hickory Regional Airport. And again, you had even down to the upstate of South Carolina, pretty intense activity with a number of reports of possible tornadoes from Spartanburg to near and west of Gaffney. Now this morning, the showers and storms departing over through eastern North Carolina into the Atlantic Ocean. This whole big expansive storm system gradually crawling northeast and out of the region. All right, so this cooler, drier air taking hold. Not a bad weather day at all. There's your high temperatures coming up this afternoon. Manageable. Cool in the mountains, but the Piedmont and foothills still pretty good today. And then that cooler, drier air just in full control as we go through Wednesday and Thursday. Here's our Wednesday highs around the region. Thursday morning, chilly. There's your Thursday morning low temperatures. Thursday afternoon's highs look like that. Now let's fast forward to the weekend. Still a lot of uncertainty here. And as I cut the video, the latest European model did not come in overnight. Some issues with the European data center there. But here's the bottom line. I think we're looking at the next low pressure moving from the Gulf of Mexico up near the coast. And so that could bring a pretty good deal of rain, especially focused around Saturday night, lingering into Sunday. A lot of details, tons of details still to iron out with that one. And then some chilly weather follows that, probably the chilliest air thus far this season as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week. Tropics, still no organized systems out there. Still watching this area in the western parts of the Caribbean Sea for signs of development, but at this point, not too bad. No immediate developmental signs ongoing. There's today's fall foliage photo of the day from our friends at Grandfather Mountain. Beautiful shot there. The highest mountain elevations, 4,000 feet or so and above, past the peak of the season, but still a lot of color to enjoy and many other elevations. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.